This video presentation is about what you can do to convert a cracked piece of concrete into a piece of art by coloring it. So what we do when you've got a cracked piece of concrete over time that is all faded and weathered and beginning to crack is you enhance it. You can leave it there without tearing it out and replacing it by drawing a rock pattern into it, just like this. You can see how we've just simply taken chalk, put a pattern of your choice in it really, and just crack chase away with these diamond bits on these grinders. And once that's all in place, this is what they look like. And you can adjust and improve and add to if you want to after you have a look at it and decide, okay, we want to enhance this a little bit from what it is. So you can stand back and decide, yeah, that looks good, so let's go. Now what you do is you pressure wash and you clean, and then you start to mix up your product, and we like to spray it down with airless sprayers so you get good consistency, get down in the cracks, get down in the control joints, get good balance and coverage. You don't have stop and start marks. And this is how they end up. I mean, truly, this is a piece of art. It looks like it was designed and made this way. It looks brand new, renewed, and has enhanced this property 1,000%, and will be this way for decades, especially where it's a covered patio.
Alright everybody, 2 coats of sealer, done and done. How shiny and pretty that is. Prestige worldwide. Just kidding. Oh man, the customer is super happy with it, which makes me super happy. Oh man, it's a piece of art now. Take a crack, make some more, turns it into an art piece. Love it.
So let's introduce you to the Southern Utah staff. From left to right is Justin, Larissa, and Zachary. Zach is the project manager and the designer behind the scenes. He's been working with CDS now for over 18 years. You may have seen him on American Ninja Warrior. Larissa handles the office. She does all the calendaring and handles all the finances. She loves to sing and dance, and you may have seen her on American Ninja Warrior. This is Justin. He's an outside sales guy and a coatings applicator. And yes, you guessed it, you may have seen him on American Ninja Warrior. The CDS crew, people, and not to forget little Ray Ray, who is the 4th member that's all supportive and keeps things lively. So this is your CDS crew, from the rock climbing, outdoors people, Spartan races, FitCon competitions, and of course ninja against competitions, hunting and fishing, all kinds of outdoor recreational sports. These guys love to play together, they live together, and they work together. And they are fun to hang out with. So if you are looking for some real fit and fun and awesome hard-working people to install some hardscape improvements on your property, give CDS of Southern Utah a call, and trust me, they will deliver. Take a look at some of these projects. Incredible improvements to concrete surfaces that CDS of Southern Utah has performed in your community. All of these projects are done by hand and take special care for each and every one of them to be unique to your personal property. So as you can see here, these guys don't mess around. They get down, hunker down, and they work hard to produce this kind of concrete artwork. Thanks for joining us here at Concrete Design Systems, and until we meet again, happy home improvements.